It's a 2017 Honda Civic sedan. It's efficient and fun. It's practical and fun. The Civic is perfectly suited for your life and fun. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, USB port, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, and streaming audio. Consumer Reports explains the Civic's ride is unusually refined for a compact car. The suspension keeps the car steady and composed over all but the nastiest bumps. Braking is responsive and confident during panic stops. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.